Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be adding an item to an already existing order. So what you want to do is enter your order number in your global search or isolate it inside of your order script. Once you're inside of the order, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to select Add Item. Then you're going to enter in the necessary information pertaining to the item. Some of this information is optional, and then you select Save. The item will be added to your order, and this is how you add an item to an existing order.